With me here is what I consider the second largest Oraimo speaker after the Sound Go Boom, which I already covered in another video, which you can check out here. So this is the Oraimo SoundFlow. This is what it looks like from the outside, the packaging. It's a 50-watt speaker. Let's get into the unboxing. I already removed the seals, so I'll just try to get it out. So that's it. Let's remove the paper. Before we check out the speaker, let's see what accessories we have. Let's see here, we have 2 cables and a user manual, which I won't bother checking. This is an aux cable. This is the charging cable. It's type C. So let's look at the actual speaker. The subwoofer or radiator, I don't know what it's called. So here are the stands, you get the ports. So what I'll do, I'll power it on, pair it to one of my devices, and so that you can hear it sounds before we go through everything else, the controls and the ports and everything else. Any other things we might go through. Remember, this is not a full review video, it's just an unboxing video. I'll do a full review video later talking about everything else and how the speaker works, any problems that I may encounter, and whether you should buy it.
Power on.
That was at maximum volume. I'm sure my mic didn't pick up that music quite well, but it's really powerful for its size. It's a 50-watt speaker, so it packs quite a punch. So now that we have the sound test out of the way, we can exploit and see the basic controls and the available ports and anything else that might come up in regard to the build quality, and then I'll do the review video later after using it for a few days or a couple of weeks. So you can see here are the controls that we have. They're arranged in a circular manner. This is the power button or the play pause button. This is the next and previous buttons when playing music. This is the volume up, volume down, and this is the one you'll use to switch between the different RGB lighting modes. So for the lighting, for the media controls, it's pretty obvious, but for the lighting, you can press this once and it will change. There are 4 modes. Then when you press it the 5th time, it will go off. So what I did not notice when playing the music is whether the light is sensitive to music. So let me play just a bit to confirm. Yeah, it reacts to the music, which is quite nice, and it will look really nice in your room. So for the ports, they're located here. We have the USB-C charging port, a memory card slot, and an aux slot. Remember, we're given an aux cable. It came with an aux cable, which is really nice. So for the build quality, it's this upper part is plastic, and here around the speaker is a cloth material, and down here it's plastic with silicone stands, which come in handy so that you cannot slide wherever you place it. Here at the bottom we have the subwoofer, which gives it the bass, and then Here, I think here it's where the tweeters are, which give out the treble. So for comparison, I'll bring the Soundgo Boom for size comparison. So here's the Soundgo Boom. This is the SoundFlow. The Boom is clearly the largest Oraimo speaker so far. So, but this is a 30-watt speaker and this is a 50-watt speaker. I'll do a comparison video also in the future after I do the review videos of both. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.